Brush Company. Welcome to our quick setup guide. So I'm going to get you set up quick and easy with our Dipless Brush. I'm going to show you just what you get in the package and just what you need to get set up. And let's get started. So when you purchase one of our starter kits here, it's going to come with everything you need in the kit to get started. So all you're going to need is your airless paint sprayer, a spray gun, extension wand, that type of thing. You can either purchase one of our two kits. We have a composite block brush. This is multi-purpose. It's great for cleaning with your airless as well as staining a deck or a fence. And we have a wood block brush. This is strictly for painting and staining. It's designed for that. It's a great brush for that, and they're great brushes. So yeah, you're gonna get whichever kit you purchase. You'll get one of the brushes. You'll also get a universal connector set, a spray tip with a tip seat gasket and tip, and a warning label, and written instructions, full written instructions, step by step, to get you set up. However, this guide will cover that, this video. So that's what you're gonna get. What you're gonna need is your airless spray gun. I have one right here. All right, we're gonna depressurize that spray gun. We don't ever recommend doing any tooling while your machine's pressurized, so you always want to depressurize your machine. And let's get set up and started. So you're gonna take your airless spray gun. You're gonna want to remove your standard tip guard and your tip. They come right off, usually hand tight. Sometimes a little tooling is recommended with a wrench or a adjustable wrench or a pair of pliers. You know, we like to do a little bit of tooling to make sure that we don't incur any leaking. So you're going to get out of your package, you're going to get your universal metal connector set. So this universal metal connector set connects to all the major brands. So whether you're a fan of Titan, Wagner, Graco, Tritech, one of those other major brands, we have a universal connector that connects to them all. So you're going to want to take off this plastic protective cap. This protects the inner threads here from paint buildup as well as damage. You know, we recommend you use the plastic cap to keep damage from the threads. This is a high pressure system, so you want to make sure you don't experience leaking, and damaged threads cause leaking. So you're going to want to get out your tip seat and gasket. It's this little concave metal piece for bushing. You're going to want to get that out, and you're going to want to take your metal connector set, which is a aluminum metal connector, universal connector, and a brass tip receiver. We call that the inner tip receiver. So you're going to want to drop that inner tip receiver into your metal connector, and it's going to only go so far. You're going to see the hole, they're going to be your tip receiver hole. And then you're going to want to take your tip seat gasket and bushing and drop it down into that hole, and it's never going to go in the hole, just like it didn't for me. So we recommend you use these spray tips to the point. You can reach right in there, pick up the little donut, drop it in the hole. Quick and simple. I put my finger on it, put my spray tip in the side. That aligns the little concave area so that it aligns with the tip, which is where it rests naturally. It's supposed to rest on the tip. So I don't want to start to apply this onto the spray gun. You want to just snug this up a little bit. And I like to try and get it in the direction of which I want my brush to be. So if I want my brush to be horizontal or vertical or lateral, however you want to word that, you know, you just adjust it accordingly. So once I get that almost tight, I take my tip out. And at that point I can take my brush. In this case I'll use the composite. I'm going to put that right on here. It's only going to go on so far. You're going to see your hole in here. There's your tip receiver hole. And you're going to put it in here like this. Make sure it seats in well. And then you're going to want to snug up your fitting. So we recommend you line up your brush where you want it. In this case about here. You take a wrench. I like to, like I said, just give this a snug fitting. That should be it. I should be good to go. Yep, Dipless Brush is attached, spraying product. It's quick and easy. So that's what you're gonna get. That's what you're gonna need. again, you can visit us at diplessbrush.com, and we welcome you there. Dipless Brush is quick to get set up, quick to get going, and get your jobs done quicker. So we'll see you there. Thank you.